The front self-leveling headlight sensor, red arrow, is attached to the upper control arm in the wheel well. You do not need to remove the wheel well liner to perform this task. We have done so for the sake of clarity. If you need to replace the holder that attaches the sensor to the upper control arm, you can disconnect it by either loosening the pin with a flathead screwdriver, red arrow, or from the top with a push pin, blue arrow. If you are replacing just the sensor, use two 10mm wrenches to remove the nut on the sensor arm, then slide it out from the holder. During installation, you will need to tighten them to a tightening torque of 8 Nm or 6 foot-pounds. Disconnect the electrical connection by using a flathead screwdriver and gently rotating in on the release tab, red arrow. Use a T27 torque to remove the one fastening screw holding the sensor to the chassis subframe, red arrow. During installation, you will need to tighten them to a tightening torque of 5 Nm or 3.5 foot-pounds. If you are keeping the headlight leveling sensor holder, you can remove it from the sensor by unscrewing the two 3mm hex screws, red arrows. During installation, you will tighten these to a tightening torque of 5 Nm or 3.5 foot-pounds. Installation is the reverse of removal. After the angle sensor has been replaced, the front end control unit must be calibrated, and afterwards the headlight setting must be checked and adjusted if necessary. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.